Itendekero ery'Ambara University of Science and Technology rikatandika mu kwezi kwa 10 1989 nk'itendekero lya kabiri mu ihanga ahabwa emishomo ya science na tekinologia kandi Professor Frederick Ian Bantu bano Kayanja niwe yabire Vice Chancellor okubanza kusiya mu kwezi kwa 10 2014. Aho niho Professor Celestine Obua wabe naruga Makerere nuko kuzo mu bijere bya Kayanja okusenchure yahehwerireyo mwaka ogu. Professor Pauline Byachika Chibwika birayisimbire n'abandi bana abarimu Dr. Amonagaba, Dr. Joel Bazira, Dr. Juliet Mwanga Mpumwire hamwe na Dr. Linet Chokunda. Dr. Warren Namara mukuru w'akachika karukwebembera University nagira ngu binamasuko mingi omuri Professor Byachika okutaho musinge muhango habwentunguka ya University.
Mbarara University is an equal opportunities institution. Male or female gender, they have the same opportunity. They are exposed to the same vagaries of the academic world. The expectations are also similar. And there is no preferential expectations because so and so is a male or female gender. Professor Pauline Byachika will not be looked at as a female predominantly.
Now, we want her to bring this expertise to Mbarara so that she can now boost Mbarara. We want the best for that institution. As long as she works in harmony with those ones she finds on site and station. And we want a unifier of that institution who can come in and unite people to work for the common good of this country and to foster the agenda of Mbarara University of Science and Technology, which is science.
Professor Byachika no muhango myembazi y'abantu hamwe no kuchondoza kandi atakahirwe mu rumogu abe nashomesa Makerere University College of Health Science ahabira umukuru w'itaje ryo. Adolphe Ayireka, TV West.